Hi, greetings from Private Tuition Online. In this video, we are going to study a very important topic which will help our students not only to learn but to excel in the work and the assignments given to them. It will also help us to choose a learning process by which the student can perform better at school, and not only that, the knowledge and the understanding of the student shall increase and they shall acquire skills to perform better in school and in their exams. And to do this, Private Tuition Online has provided what is known as an individual learning plan. As we know, there is no one size fits all method to teach, because if every student has a specific need, and that's the reason why we at Private Tuition Online have developed this methodology of teaching students, which comprises of the individual learning plan. And the individual learning plan is usually made when we come into contact with the students from the first time and we start interacting with them and get to know them more. And how we can do this is we are going to demonstrate it over here. So we are going to look more into the technical aspects of this. So when we want to devise an individual learning plan, we need to click on, there are these tabs on top. We need to click on my students, and what will be displayed here are the students. Now, for instance, I want to develop an individual learning plan for a particular student. What I need to do is click on the student info. Now, let me choose Louis Sadi and I'll click on student info. And I'll get a whole bunch of information regarding Louis, because he has filled up a lot of things about himself. So there is some information about him, some additional information about his character and stuff like that. What we are going to look at is the individual learning plan. We can see there are a lot of tabs here, buttons here, which we need to click. So when we want to make an individual learning plan, we need to click on this. The individual learning plan is prepared by a tutor based on the learning styles and the gaps in their curriculum based knowledge. The tutor assesses the student using an approved evaluation sheet, and the gaps are identified and a plan is chalked out. And then the learning plan is split into several sections. So we are going to see how that is done. So after we have made an evaluation of the student, we are going to make a learning plan for them. when we look at this, we click at this button, add a new plan. If the plan is not already there, we click on this and you'll get a menu in which you can select the various subjects. So for this student, we want to select something related to maths, and we have specific areas where, before filling it up, I'll just explain to you. There is something which is known as specific focus area linked to the curriculum, desired learning outcome, which is a SMART goal. There is an intervention plan, which means a precise teaching strategy, the resources and materials to deliver, tasks to be completed, that is both in class time and set base, maybe homework. Then there will be strategies for monitoring and evaluation, and then finally a target date for completion. So just to give you briefly, that the specific focus area linked to the curriculum is based on the national curriculum, and based on the national curriculum we can fix a goal. Yeah. So for Louis, we want to for instance want him to read and write numbers from 1 to 20. So this is based on the curriculum which he is studying, and since he is in a lower class, we want him to learn this. So that will be our focus area. The next step is to get the desired learning outcome. So what the desired learning outcome sets a specific goal which he needs to do so that he can achieve his focus area. So what we do is we fix an outcome, and in this case what we have put is Louis to meet the